Even if this brother, you loved him, would you want to associate with them? No. But why did this happen to me? In our family, it's only me who is odd one out. Ask them. They will tell you. I'm odd one out completely. So I'm the only one who is not looking like them. From school, from everything, I was notorious as a bad man. From when I was a young man, kijana mdogo, nilikuwa natembea na maubwa 100 zinanifuata. The dogs, when it is raining, the dogs will come and cover me, nisinyeshewe, because I was a king of dogs. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. They identified me. They looked at me and they saw, kama umbwa inakufunika, zinakuja zinashikana, zinakaa hapo, zinanyeshewa au sinyeshewe. What is that? How would you call that man? How will you call such a kind of person? I was rejected. They avoided me. They didn't want to be associated with me. Sometimes I remember my mother came to look for me while I was in Mukuru kwa Ruben. Na kule Mukuru kwa Ruben nilikuwa nauza chang'aa na bangi. I was a pickpocket. Nilikuwa mwizi wa bunduki. Bwana Yesu asifiwe sana. I broke into the factories. Na nikafanya mambo mingi sana. But all these, there is nothing that can be associated or connected to our family. I was the odd one out. I was not ordinary. I was not like them. They were good. My mother ni wa PCA. Kwanza alikuwa independent. Akakuwa wa PCA. My father is a humble man. Mwenye hakutaka story mingi. But there was something that was running through me, which I even did not understand. I've been to jail 52 times. I've been shot at 12 times. I've been poisoned 9 times. They decided to hang me twice. But the machine refused to kill me. Bwana Yesu asifiwe sana. So what did you call that? And sometimes I felt like I don't deserve to live in this world. Sometimes I felt that the world does not want me because every single sin that was committed in Kenya was associated with me. Not at home, the entire nation. Some crime will be done in Kisii and the broadcaster will say, Mungeke leader was seen in Kisii. Yet I am in Mombasa. Bwana Yesu asifiwe sana. At sometimes I felt like I'm down. This is not working for me. The life is completely unbearable. I remember at some point as I was running away from Kenya, I was in Mozambique, in a nation that speaks Portuguese. No English. They don't understand you. But still I found some good friends who were thieves like me. And we worked together and we made a robbery together in Mozambique. And we succeeded together. Then I moved from there, I went to Pretoria, and after Pretoria, I went to Windhoek in Namibia. Still, I met people. Still, I met people who will want to be associated with me. But again, I was living a fugitive life that I did not understand. And sometimes I look at you when you come for prayers, and then you will explain to me how the devil has been working out to destroy you. Sometimes I look at you, say, oh, familia yangu, watoto wangu wamefanya. But I will go back to the Bible and see that this is not the devil. If I can trace you completely nicely, I will find God in you. Any tribulations you are going through, there is some elements of God. The difficulties of your life, the challenges of your life, there is an element of God. Not always looking there and finding the devil. Sometimes there is God in that misery you are facing.